Hi, it's Ted Harris, and now we're going to do a little addition. Adding is putting together. Adding's a fun thing to do. You see one cookie, and then have one cookie, and now the answer is 2. 1 cookie plus 1 cookie is 2 cookies. 1 and 1 is 2. Adding is putting together. Adding is fun, can't you see? You see 2 cookies, and then I have 1 cookie, and then the answer is 3. 1 cookie plus 2 cookies is 3 cookies. 1 plus 2 is 3. Adding is putting together. Adding is making it more. You see 3 cookies, and then I have 1 cookie, and now the answer is 4. 1 cookie plus 3 cookies is 4 cookies. 1 plus 3 is 4. Now we're going to talk about subtracting. Subtracting is amazing. Subtracting is taking away. Subtracting is my kind of fun. You see 4 cookies, and I see 4 cookies, and now the answer is done. 4 cookies minus 4 cookies is no cookies. And now our song is done. Wow.
It don't matter if it's white or black.